It is difficult to predict with certainty which programming languages will be the most popular in 2023, as the popularity of programming languages can change rapidly over time based on a variety of factors such as the needs of the industry, the emergence of new technologies, and the preferences of developers. That being said, some programming languages that are currently popular and are likely to remain in demand in the near future include 1. Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that is widely used for web development, data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computing. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility. 2. Java. Java is a popular, object-oriented programming language that is widely used for building enterprise applications. It is known for its portability, scalability, and performance. 3. C++. C++ is a high-performance programming language that is commonly used for developing system software, games, and applications that require a high level of performance. It is known for its flexibility and efficiency. 4. C#. C is a modern, object-oriented programming language that is widely used for building Windows applications, mobile apps, and games. It is known for its simplicity, robustness, and flexibility. 5. JavaScript. JavaScript is a popular programming language that is widely used for building web applications and is often used in conjunction with HTML and CSS. It is known for its versatility and ease of use. Again, it is difficult to predict which programming languages will be the most popular in the future, and it is important for developers to continually learn and adapt to new technologies. Don't forget to subscribe to stay on update.